Implementing the practices. By implementing these best practices, real estate professionals can play a critical role in protecting their clients from deed fraud. These measures not only help in directly preventing fraud, but also empower clients to be proactive about their property and personal information security. Here's how to implement these practices effectively. Integration into daily operations. Incorporate these security measures into the daily workflow and client interactions. Make them a standard part of the onboarding process for new clients. Staff training. Regularly train staff on the importance of data security and the specific measures your firm has put in place. Ensure they understand both the how and the why behind these practices. Client engagement and feedback. Keep clients engaged with regular updates about the security measures you are implementing and seek their feedback on these processes. This not only keeps them informed, but also reassures them about their data safety. By adopting and adapting these best practices, real estate professionals can significantly mitigate the risk of deed fraud, thus safeguarding their clients' investments and their professional integrity. Preventing deed fraud, utilizing technology for fraud detection. In the digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing security and efficiency in real estate transactions. Real estate professionals can leverage various technological tools and systems to detect and prevent deed fraud. Below are some of the key technologies and best practices for their use. Blockchain technology. Description. Blockchain can be used to create a decentralized and immutable ledger for recording property transactions. This technology ensures that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered without the consensus of the network, significantly reducing the risk of fraud. Best practice. Real estate agencies can partner with blockchain service providers to integrate this technology into their transaction processes, ensuring all property deeds are securely recorded and easily verifiable. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Description. AI and machine learning can analyze large volumes of data to identify patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. These systems can flag unusual transactions, such as rapid successions of property transfers or transactions involving high-risk profiles. Best practice. Implement AI-driven analytics tools that continuously monitor property transactions. Train these tools with historical data to improve their accuracy in detecting potential fraud. Electronic Document Management Systems, EDMS. Description. EDMS can securely store and manage digital copies of property documents, including deeds, and track their amendments and access history. Best practice. Use an EDMS with robust security features such as encryption, access control, and audit trails. Ensure that all document uploads and accesses are logged and traceable. Digital identity verification tools. Description. These tools verify the identities of individuals involved in transactions using biometrics, government-issued IDs, or digital identity verification services. Best practice. Incorporate digital identity verification at every stage of the property transaction process to ensure all parties are legitimately who they claim to be. Automated alerts and notifications. Description. Automated systems can be set up to alert property owners and real estate professionals about any actions or queries made regarding their property, such as title searches or transfer requests. Best practice. Encourage clients to sign up for automated alert services from their local land registry or a trusted third-party provider. Regularly update the contact information to ensure alerts are received promptly. Examples of utilizing technology for fraud detection. Example 1. Blockchain in property transactions. Scenario. A real estate firm integrates blockchain technology to handle all their property listings and transactions. Each property deed is recorded on a blockchain, creating a permanent record of the transaction that is visible and verifiable by all parties involved. Example 2. AI for pattern recognition. Scenario. A national real estate brokerage uses an AI system that scans all transactions for signs of potential fraud. The system flags a property that has changed hands 3 times in the last month, prompting further investigation. The rapid transactions were found to be linked to a deed fraud scheme. Example 3. Digital identity verification. During sales scenario. During the closing of a property sale, the real estate agent uses a digital tool to verify the identities of the buyers. The tool checks the buyers' IDs against national databases and confirms their authenticity in real time, adding an extra layer of security to the transaction. By adopting these technologies, real estate professionals can greatly enhance their ability to detect and prevent deed fraud, thus protecting their clients and maintaining the integrity of property transactions. Reporting. Suspected deed fraud. Immediate contact with authorities. Detail. As soon as fraud is suspected, it's crucial to contact local law enforcement. Reporting the incident promptly can prevent further damage and initiate the legal process. Procedure. Provide all relevant details to the authorities, including documentation, transaction details, and communications that might indicate fraudulent activity. Notify financial institutions. Detail. If the fraud involves any financial transactions, notify the relevant banks or financial institutions immediately. This can help in halting transactions or recovering any transferred funds. Procedure. Contact the fraud prevention or claims department of the involved financial institution and follow their guidance for securing accounts and disputing transactions. Contact local land registry office. Detail. Alerting the local land registry or recording office can help in flagging the property records, thereby preventing further unauthorized transactions. Procedure. Provide the land registry with a formal notice of the suspected fraud, including any evidence of the fraudulent activity. Document everything. Detail. Keep a detailed record of all documents, communications, and transactions related to the property and the suspected fraud. This documentation will be crucial for investigation and legal proceedings. Procedure. Organize copies of all relevant documents, such as deeds, transaction records, and correspondence. Keep a log of all actions taken since discovering the fraud. Consult a real estate attorney. Detail. A specialized attorney can provide legal advice on the steps to take and represent you in any legal actions. Procedure. Hire an attorney experienced in real estate fraud. They can help in navigating the legal system, filing necessary lawsuits, and advising on potential outcomes. Monitor your credit. Detail. Since deed fraud can affect your credit, regular monitoring can alert you to any discrepancies that you may need to address. Procedure. Sign up for credit monitoring services and report any unauthorized activities to credit bureaus. Legal remedies available to victims. Civil lawsuit. Detail. Victims of deed fraud can file a civil lawsuit against the perpetrators for recovery of the property and/or damages. This is often necessary to officially reclaim ownership of the property. Procedure. Through your attorney, file a lawsuit seeking to nullify the fraudulent transactions and restore your property rights. Criminal charges. Detail. Deed fraud is a criminal offense, and law enforcement can pursue criminal charges against the fraudsters, which can lead to their prosecution and conviction. Procedure. Work with local law enforcement to provide all necessary evidence for the prosecution of the fraudsters. Title insurance claim. Detail. If you have title insurance, you may be able to file a claim to recover losses related to deed fraud. Procedure. Contact your title insurance company to file a claim. Provide all necessary documentation and evidence of the fraud. Examples. Example of reporting suspected deed. Fraud. Jane, a homeowner, notices an unauthorized transfer deed filed in the county records. She immediately reports the incident to the local police, contacts her bank to secure her accounts, and informs the county recorder's office to flag the transaction as fraudulent. Example of responding as a victim. John discovers that his rental property was fraudulently sold by someone impersonating him. He gathers all transaction documents, hires a real estate attorney, and files a civil lawsuit to regain the property. Simultaneously, He reports the incident to the police for criminal investigation. Example of utilizing legal remedies. Sarah, who purchased a home only to find out the seller was a fraudster, files a title insurance claim. The title insurance company conducts an investigation, compensates her for her financial losses, and takes legal action against the fraudster. By understanding these procedures and taking decisive action, victims of deed fraud can seek to rectify the situation and mitigate their losses effectively.